Okay, one will capture me. Okay, picture me rolling. Say, we have walked through the valley of the shadow of death. I fear no evil. I fear no Jagaba with Bello. Jagaba and Bello, they be husband and wife. Fuck their nyansh. I don't fucking nyansh. But God know that we in Nigeria, we are happy with you. Okay, Milokon. Naibi Milokon. Okay, first time in the history of the world, the king said, it's my tongue. Okay, where's your tongue? And the kid can't eat food anymore. Kid, tata. You don't chop Indomie anymore. Now Indomie is 78,000 naira. Who are you? You say let me put in your mouth. Now, see, let me tell you what you. I'm not quarreling, but I'm quarreling because my kids, they don't even know me anymore. They're afraid of me because they can't teach. Why? Because the government, police, they forgot you. They forgot you. They fail. 100 to 5. Even 5. 3.00. Why? Early moment. Technology. Okay, the content say Lagos to Calabar. Million. Where million? Where about the reality of ground? Where about the hope that we see? See all of us here. We are in the street house. We are in the street house here. We are in our home. We look for expert here. We drink a go see my hand here. My post drink. So we don't change the lamp because they are bad. Okay, we drink, we smoke, we go outside. No food. Where's food? Where's Jagaba? All of them, Papa and Pikin. They fail the test. They are failure. They fail. See the thing. Okay, check about the street. Why? See, let there be documentary reality of the document of the house of God. You see light come now. Because I was talking the reality of God. God said, and the light must come. Because God more than things. They are not reality. Say refinery come, no refinery. Food will come, no food. Bread will come, no bread. Butter will happen, no longer. Why? Every day, suffer. I love all this suffer. Don't tell when she got me. Now we express that. Can we express? Why you don't have the government? Abolish it. Change our book on make it no shame. See, my post. Mon drink, you can get liver to see.